Hello and welcome back to my latest video. We're back at an old job today, unfortunately repairing this broken slab. Hi and welcome back to this latest video. So today we have been called back to replace this slab which has apparently cracked since we've laid this patio. I can't help but feel like the customers may have damaged this slab, but unfortunately I have no way to prove that. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you think it looks like it's been damaged or could have just cracked in some other way. So to start with, we've just cut across the slab and now just chiseling out the layer of concrete underneath. Have to say the concrete underneath looks absolutely fine. But anyway, I'll let that go now and let's get on with the repair. So now we're just going to give it a quick hose down, clear the area, ready for the new slab to be put in the gap. So we're just going to clean it off now and then finally add the jointing. Hopefully you can leave a like on this video, as I did do this repair completely free, and let me know what you think of the final result. Here it is. Thanks for watching as always, see you next time.